So all of our bagel dough starts with the same 5 ingredients. So we have flour naturally, salt, yeast, barley malt, and then water. And then from there, those items all get mixed in that big Hobart that you guys were just looking at in the back there. We do a bunch of bowls of dough. And then after that, they'll run through, we have a forming machine. After that, they'll go on boards into our walk-in fridge where we give them 2 to 3 days to proof or to rise, where they really get that flavor. Button up tight. We're gonna go all the way in so we can keep it nice and regulated. Just like general food storage in here, but kind of get an idea of like the bagels. Once they go through the former, which I think you guys should be able to see if you stick around just a little bit longer, they end up going on these boards, and then we fill up these racks. Those get labeled by the day that they need to be baked, and they're often categorized by like types of bagels that need to be. We've got like a coordinating sheet for the baker, so they know based on what the dough maker made what needs to be baked, so we can fulfill any standing orders and make sure we have a good variety for just like in-store taco ras. And then we pull them out the morning that we're going to bake them, let them rise just with the natural air, and then toss them in the kettle to boil. So this is the kettle here. Generally keep it covered up. But this guy turns on to keep it nice and full, and then we'll get that up to boiling. Once that's boiling, then they basically float up after maybe 10 to 30 seconds. We grab this little guy here, kind of scoop them out. On the shelf out here where we're serving up sandwiches, cream cheese, however you like them. Boards here, which are usually just kind of laying flat in this truck. Then we kind of dump those in there, arrange them on each one of these. Then that goes into the oven. This guy is like a rotating carousel. There's different levels. So you can imagine we can fill up quite a few bagels at a time. And it becomes a process of some meats in there cooking, so I'll keep that closed. But yeah, it becomes a process. There's like a rhythm to like things that go in, then getting more into the kettle.
I've got some from the Crusaders and something from Oscar Peterson. I was trying to find a Grover Washington record. That's what I was really looking for.